Hi guys, it's Miss Enciso, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get into iStation through Clever. First things first, if your child cannot hear the sound in iStation, have them log out and log back in. I'll show you how to log out. And also make sure they're in a quiet area with no distractions and they're able to focus clearly. We do iStation testing every month at the beginning of the month for reading and for math. To get started, I am going to enter through Clever. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to make sure I'm on Clever. Make sure you're on the Miss Enciso teacher page. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on this boy with the red cape that says iStation. Once I go there, it'll start launching iStation and it'll take me here. It's loading everything, so it's okay if it's taking a bit of time. So please be patient. All your child should be clicking on is math with iSip and reading with iSip. And I'll show you what those look like. Please give me a second for it to load. Okay, so you have math with iSip here and reading with iSip here. iSip just means iStation in progress. So I'm going to show you the math version. Whichever iSip they need to do, whichever test they need to do, depends on what the teacher says. So they might tell you, go and do the math one or go or do the reading one. Right now I'm going to show you what math looks like. So it's going to log me in and it's going to prepare everything. And I am going to show you what each button at the bottom means. Okay, so at the bottom here, I have three options. The elapsed time means how long I've been on iStation. Okay, the bottom red square means to stop. It will log me out of iStation. This pause button pauses iStation if I need to go to the restroom. This iSip in progress means that your child is testing. If your child is testing, please do not bother them and have them focus as much as you can. Here, it reads the questions for me. And if I go up, so it's telling me which rectangle has an area of 12 inches squared. So I'm going to click on the correct answer and I'm going to keep on going. Okay, so as long as your child has this iSip in progress, that means they're testing. Once the little box is gone, they are no longer testing and they're done for the time for that day. To log out, you need to do 3 steps with your child. So click on the red box. Make sure you click exit, log out of that. You got to log out with this red door right here. And you're going to click